Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today we're going to be unboxing this Hauz living kettle. Sounds so German. Isn't that right, Mika? She agrees. It apparently glows blue. Yes, blue. Easy to see, easy to clean. Oh yeah. Says auto off switch. And it's got the disconnectable base. These things are actually really well priced for a kettle. Perfect for your dorm room or whatever else you're using it for. Let's see. Materials you're never going to read anyway. A warranty card, which you'll lose. A piece of foam. A glass kettle that is beautiful in every shape and size. And what else? Oh, but wait, there's more. We have the pedestal. So let's put this back in. Environmentally unfriendly things, stuff to throw in the campfire. And it's light, it's simple. It goes right on. This is what powers it. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do if you wanna test out this kettle, or like I'm going to do, is first I'm going to go and wash it. So I'm gonna open it up, give it a quick rinse. And look at that, it's even got a filter on it. That's kind of neat. Either way, it says to wash this with mild detergent. This is not dishwasher safe. Do not put your kettle in the dishwasher. So, let's quickly go wash this. I'm not gonna show you how to wash this because if you don't know how to wash this, don't bother using a kettle. So, mild detergent, wash it with your hand, dry it, not with paper towel unless you want paper towel junks inside your water. So, just wash it and let's slam it on this base and see what it looks like and see if it boils a thing of water and see if you can make a tea with it. After you've cleaned your kettle, you have your assorted things that have names on it just in case you get dementia and you can't remember what they are tomorrow. That's my old kettle. You can see it did not have a removable base. This new one, well, the whole game has changed. Hauz is in the house. Drop it on. If the bottom's wet, chances are it's going to burn your house down, so make sure the ring at the bottom is always dry and clean. So you can see my center point is, maybe the rim around it is not, but that's okay. Oh look, you can drop on it even if you have shaky hands. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. What you do is you flip the switch, it starts glowing blue. You can watch the bubbles and everything. Pretty baller. Also, you can admire right here in the video, an annoying clock on the coffee maker, which I never reset. Wow, can you see it? You can see it doing things to the water. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like a hot hood on a car. So you can see it is doing its thing at boiling the water. That's pretty neat. And really, LEDs always win. Let's go turn off some lights while that starts boiling. Again, Mika. Set the ambience. Look at that blue. It's like a party trick all in one. But how long does it take to boil? Well, you see me flick the switch. Again, this is right to the max line, 1.7, maybe a CH under max. Oh, I'm seeing bubbles. We're almost there, I think. It's going rapidly on the bottom. It's fuzzing out. Guess I should also tell you guys to make sure that you don't put it right under a counter. As you can see, mine's going up and above, but it'll probably still pool a little bit under here. Actually, I don't even feel any up there, so we're good. Yeah, whenever you're using a kettle, make sure it's not under your cupboards, otherwise it could boil the laminate off the bottom, which is never good. Oh, there we go. That's the bubble action I'm talking about. And they're going bigger. Rolling thunder. You're ready to cook spaghetti in that water, my friends. That being said, I don't suggest making spaghetti out of kettle water. Gnarly. So that water is now ready to pour into your oatmeal, your tea, or whatever other thing you're gonna pour boiling water into. It does take a while, but it gets there, and it looks cool doing it. Would I say it's a good investment? Well, yeah, it boils water, it does its thing. It's glass, and it removes from the base, so you don't have to unplug it to do everything. You just pick it up and go. As I spill this entire thing on myself. Things to note. Be careful. The sides do get hot because it is glass and it's heating up the whole area. That's one thing with this plastic one. Like, it got warm, but it didn't get too ridiculous. I never really burnt my knuckles on it. This, oh yeah, even in here it gets warm. So careful that when you're lifting this, and whatever you do, don't try to pick it up with two hands. If you have a chid, yes, with your chids, make sure that you do not pick it up on the sides or teach them how to pick up a kettle. Otherwise, they're going to really hurt themselves. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this review. Press like if you did and subscribe for more.